Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Not only is it a new year, but I am also freshly postpartum, so I'm gonna finally do a reasonable closet clean out. I haven't done one of these in a couple years. So I have my stack and I'm going to go through that. So first things first, I have two pairs of jeans here. I have not worn these since right after having my first, so it's been a while. So these are the jeans from Urban Planet. And I forgot how stretchy these are because they're very thick. So unless you have them on, you can't actually tell that they're ridiculously stretchy. Just for reference, these are a size 16. Ooh, okay, these ones are really high-waisted. These are the high-rise jeggings from Blue Notes. I think these actually fit me better now than they did when I first bought them, but these are a size 18, which isn't exactly confidence boosting because I'm pretty sure I'm a size 16 in like every other jean. They fit. They're comfortable. Moving on to dresses. Okay, I don't remember the brand, but this is a size large, and I actually got this at Sears. This is like my summer wedding dress. I just love the skirt on this. So this is staying. Okay, so this dress I actually believe I got for a job interview, also from Sears. But this is actually also a pretty cute like wedding and event type dress. As much as I thought I was going to be getting rid of these like nice dresses because I didn't think they were going to fit me, I think I'm going to be hanging on to this one as well. Okay, this dress I got like a million years ago from Stitches. And honestly, this sits really weird. I don't know. I remember this one being longer. I don't think I have grown. And I've worn this to a few staff parties actually in the last couple years. And I don't remember it fitting like this. Maybe I just don't remember how to wear it. X-nay. No. Okay, this one is loud, very Fran Drescher, which was kind of why I bought it in the first place. I actually bought this because it was really stretchy, and I got this to wear to a friend's wedding while I was really pregnant, like literally a week before my C-section with my first pregnancy. And somehow it fit me. That's how friggin' stretchy this is, so I'm not surprised that it fits. I still like it. Okay, so this dress I am without a doubt not keeping because this was a big fat lie. But this was from Ardene's. This dress for some reason did not say what it was made out of on the Ardene site. I actually got a couple things from them that haul that were a little deceiving, and I actually haven't ordered from them since because I was so disappointed with like half the crap I got. But it is really thick, gross kind of like plasticky material. And I don't like the feel of it, and it is horribly uncomfortable. And I actually got this because I was hoping it would be like a nice, cool, fun summer dress. And it's super uncomfortable. Okay, this is a sweater dress from Just Fab. This is in the size extra large. It has like the eyelash fuzzies on it. I think I'm definitely going to keep this because it is, despite how it looks, with its moderately shiny appearance, it is incredibly comfortable. Ooh, okay, this is a Smock Dress. This is a size extra large, and I can't remember if I got this at Walmart or at Stitches, but I got it like a century ago. And again, it's another one where I think it actually fits me better now than it did like when I bought it. I don't understand how that's working, but it is, and it has pockets. Oh my god. Well, this is a big fat nope. So for one, the slip on this only goes to like here, so it doesn't even cover my butt cheeks. This was a struggle to get into, and I don't know how I'm gonna get out of it. Yeah, I changed back into these because I just really like that they still fit. So the last few things I don't really have to try on. They're tops. So as much as I hate to do it, I am gonna be donating this lovely sweater. It did me very well, especially while I was pregnant. Unfortunately, I just don't want to deal with having to fix this hole right here, and maybe someone else will be willing to do that. The next one is also going for sure. This was a $2 sweater from Urban Planet. It's missing a bunch of buttons. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape, but it's been washed a few times, so the fabric doesn't feel the nicest. That's probably just me weighing, but I never wear it, so why am I hanging on to it, right? This one again was kind of hard because I would wear this like to work. It's just an overshirt. I believe I got this from Avon like again 100 years ago. It looks very cute with just like a black shirt and some leggings. So I think I'm gonna keep this for now because I don't really have many like dressy overshirts. And then the last thing I have here, this is an extra large from Motherhood Maternity. It is a maternity shirt, but it is not fitted like a maternity shirt. Like there's no like ruching or cinch in the sides. It's just really, really baggy, which, because it looks like this like pinstriped kind of like, you know, oversized men's tee, is really cute, which is why I've been hanging on to it. I don't think I wore this at all in my last pregnancy again because I didn't go anywhere, but I wore this quite a lot with my first pregnancy. And I've actually worn it more not pregnant than I did while I was pregnant. So I'm going to hang on to this. Again, I don't know when I'll be able to wear it again, but one day I'll be able to do things. So that's it. I've got a pretty good pile over there of stuff to donate, and now I actually have some hangers freed up in the closet, like enough that I don't have to go buy another pack because there's about a pack's worth of hangers there. So that will save me a trip to the dollar store. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.